Hello viewers, you are welcome to this video. We are going to talk about marriage. What will make your marriage work? If you really want your marriage to work, you really need to sit down and watch this video to the end. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed before. Let's see how you can make your marriage work. A woman of God is in the podium and she's ready to teach us. Let's hear what she will say.
So that even from the room you're hearing it from my voice that you're not even planning to come in to scatter me and my husband. Don't even plan it. And see, there's nothing I'm telling you here that I don't do. Joking apart. Joking apart, because I know what marriage is. I know the foundation where I come from. And if you want to build a lasting home, especially where I come from, you have to fight it from all ends. You fight it on your knees, you fight it all around. So I don't joke with my home. Some of you, if you know where you're coming from, you will not allow some things happen in your home, because some of you in your home is either you don't marry well, or your parents didn't marry well, or somebody around, or your family, something must happen, they don't marry well. If you notice it from the early, you don't joke with your marriage. You don't joke with it. Now you see me, I don't joke with my home.
Hello viewers. The woman of God is trying to explain that children should not be your first love, either as a wife or as a husband. You know, when you are lying down with your husband, your child should not lie in between. No, that is wrong. Your child should lie by your side. Why you lie why you lie by the side of your husband? Let's hear what she has to say more on sex.
Hello viewers, you are welcome to our channel. This is Mefast BBC. Our subscription is free. It does not take money. Just click our subscription button and the bell behind it for notification of new videos. Please, I beg you, subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Don't go away. Stay tuned.
Nonsense. The men are not here. Because I noticed that some men, their own is behind this woman's tongue. Behind this woman's tongue. Tell God you marry your wife, you will not do it to me. You will not. You will not. See, joking apart, I'm beautiful, I know. I don't care your opinion. That's how I run my life. I'm priceless, I know. I don't care your opinion. I love God. I'm God's baby girl. I don't know about you. He knows how to take care of me. I don't know, and I love him passionately. If you want to know whether I love God, touch me around where is God. That's why you see, that's my heartbeat. I don't have any other life outside Jesus. So you see, because of it, I take everything about him serious. And that's why I take marriage serious. Because it's from marriage you show forth praise of God. One of the places you express that you love God is from your marriage. You can't tell me you love God and you don't love your spouse. You can't tell me you love God. About to say that Ephesians chapter 5, Bible talking about the church. The Bible says in the book of Ephesians chapter 5 that Jesus washed the church and prepared it well. So if Jesus can love his church like that, you're a wife and you don't know how to love your wife well, you don't know Jesus. Sorry to say it. He said Jesus washed his bride. Know what it means to wash? To prepare, to package it for her. So when a woman looks anyhow in my heart, the first question I ask, oh no, what did you? Oh no, what did you? Because if we see all of us are the bride of Jesus and we pray to Jesus every day, Jesus help me, he helps you. Jesus strengthen me, strengthen you. Jesus save me, he saves you. Why are you not doing it for your wife? Why? So you see, sex is one area. So let me say something very fast. In marriage, I want to beg you, before you marry, those of you that are still single, okay, no, let me not go there. In marriage, sex is becoming a place that's causing challenge. Why? Because people marry without talking about their sexual orientation. What do I mean by sexual orientation? Some of you, sorry, had been sleeping with your spouses before you married. I know you should ask God for forgiveness for that intentionally if you have not done that. Now, why some of us too entered a marriage when we didn't go through a good marriage school that should advise you how to talk about sex with your husband, not practice talk about sex with your husband before you marry. And when you now marry, you notice that you are suffering in that marriage. Challenge is coming in. You are being, there are some women that if you go to bank early in the morning, check some of these married women. If they misbehave, don't blame them, blame their husband. To be sincere. You see some married women, now can't bear the hand right here. Suspect their husbands. Because there's a way your husband pampers take care of you, like even though you are in the market, you carry this consciousness that I am married to this man. The same way you carry a consciousness that you're married to Jesus. You don't shout, you don't do. Why? Because Jesus is watching. That's how you carry a consciousness that you're married. So, and one way that a woman can be cranky is when she is not satisfied sexually, and that's as a result of couples not talking about their sexual orientation. The woman lie down, the man on top. That's all they believe in. And I'm already envying your marriage because I don't like it. Because that cannot be. For 40-50 years I'm going to stay married. You know I'm going to be married for 40-50 years until except Jesus comes. So that's for 40-50 years. That's only what I'll be doing. Then after I did, my husband was my first, so I would have remained the same. Because I told people, I told myself I won't sleep with any man till I marry. And I immediately I married, God that fired them, I fired them. That's what I told myself. Oh, and it's very serious. That's what I told myself. The only thing I don't want to do is that thing my conscience says no to that thing that will not. So before I come out to my house, I say, guys, sit down, make it up. See, all this is why they carry Bible, na package. I'm not joking. That's what I did. I'm not joking. You know, so when I tell people they can joke, I'm serious. That's what I did.
Is this your first time visiting my channel? Please like, click on the red subscribe button and the bell close to it. Subscription is free. Thank you.